Hey everyone, it's Karen, and let's face it, in today's economy, everyone needs passive income, that money coming in every month that you can count on, so eventually you don't have to rely on your 9 to 5, right? I'm going to share with you 5 passive income ideas where you can make up to $5,000 per month. And I know people who are using these methods, so they absolutely do work, and they can work for you as well. Now, this money is not just going to fall out of the sky. You either have to make an initial investment of time or money, but it definitely will be worth it to have this money coming in every single month. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video because you want to hear all of these ideas. You never know which one will be the best one for you. So let's go ahead and get started right now. Okay, the first passive income idea is Kindle Publishing. I've been researching Amazon Kindle for quite a while now, and people have said this is hands down the easiest way to make money online. One person said he took his content from his blog and repurposed it into 15 to 20 page ebooks and put them on Amazon Kindle. Now, he was already had some books there he was selling on Skin Remedies and was making around $300 a month. But he said when he added his content from his blog in the form of books, within about 3 months, he was making around $4,000. And he said he had no idea you could make money that faster than anything that he had done before online. He had done many different things online. So isn't that amazing? He already had the content, so you may have a course or some sort of content that you have already created that you can repurpose into ebooks and sell on Amazon Kindle and make some really good money with it too. Let me give you some more inspiration. I met Jennifer Singer on TikTok, and she said she found this video on TikTok where he was talking about how easy it was to publish on Amazon Kindle. So she had an idea for a book that she had been working on, and she went to Canva and finished it and put it up on Amazon Kindle. And she said within a week she sold 10 copies. This is her book here, The Happiest Puppy. And then she looks like she's written another book, The Monster Who Wanted to Dance. So this is really inspiring. And also, I wanted to share with you this gentleman. He was homeless, and now he has these books on Amazon Kindle, and he makes $10,000 a month. And of course, you don't have to write these books yourself. You can outsource all the work to write these books. But if you're really serious about making a part-time or full-time income on Amazon Kindle, I recommend Fiction Profits Academy. I'm not an affiliate with this, but ironically, I found out about this through an ad on one of my videos, and I watched the webinar. And basically, they teach you how to sell fiction books, which is a type of book that sells really, really well. And you use their outsourced writers. So people are making within a few months $5,000 passive income. Oh, and by the way, speaking of making money from home, if you want to learn my #1 recommendation, I'm going to leave a link up above. You can go ahead and click on it and check it out if you'd like. And of course, not everyone does this, but that's what's possible, and a lot of people are making a lot more money than that. But the course is around $2,000 if I remember right, and I think it's worth it though to have the guidance of people who already have created a full-time income with Amazon Kindle. When you get the course, they let you use their outsourced writers that have been trained to write books the right way for Kindle Publishing. The second idea is have a print-on-demand store, like Viral Style, Teespring, Redbubble, or Cafe Press. Hundreds of millions of customers visit these platforms every month, and you can create and sell products for free, like t-shirts, notebooks, masks, mugs, and you don't even need to create a design yourself. You can outsource all that, or you can just have a funny or clever saying, like these best-selling t-shirts. Like the one on the left, they've made over $200,000. The one on the right have made over $300,000 from just a simple design. And you can advertise it with a Facebook page like they do here, and then they have links to their Teespring store. Another place to advertise is Instagram, and you can see this Nurse Funny Memes page, and then this links to their store where they have their t-shirts that they sell here. Then of course on Etsy, they use Printful as a print-on-demand platform. And the other place you can sell print-on-demand is on your YouTube channel. When you have at least 10,000 subscribers, then you can integrate Teespring with your YouTube channel and sell merchandise. Like you can see here, they sell t-shirts and cell phone covers on their YouTube channel. Also, I created a video on how you can sell on Redbubble just from your cell phone for completely free, a full tutorial, and I will post that video in the description below this video. Third idea is to create a course. I know someone who wakes up to $3,000 every morning from her online courses. And even if you don't have an idea of what you would create a course around, you can absolutely outsource this as well. These are some platforms that you can sell your course on. Skillshare, and some of the top earning teachers make $100,000 a year. And once you have your course on this platform, you get paid for the amount of time that people watch your course. So that can definitely add up. Another platform is Udemy. And just an idea for you is if you go in here and search GrooveFunnels, which is a new platform that has a page builder and autoresponder and many other things, kind of similar to Kartra, you can see there's only 2 courses offered in here on GrooveFunnels, and they're both free. And that's what I would recommend you do, is actually create a free course around GrooveFunnels, and then inside your course you can have a link for someone to sign up for GrooveFunnels, and you can make anywhere from 20 to 40% commission on every person that signs up for GrooveFunnels. So you could go through the frequently asked questions inside of GrooveFunnels and create a course around all the questions that people have with GrooveFunnels. And the other platform you can create a course on is called Teachable. And again, you just create this one time, and then you can earn that passive income every month when people purchase your courses. The fourth way is niche blogging. You can place affiliate links inside your blog post and also earn from ad revenue. Now this is more of a long-term strategy. In fact, I have a course called Income School Project 24, and inside of this course, they teach you how to create a full-time income passively within 24 months. And the thing that they said is most people will quit after about 5 months because they don't see any money coming in, but that's about a normal timeline. And then after the 5th month is when you start to see the money coming in. And then right around month 24 is where they anticipate you would make right around $8,000. Now, of course, not everyone does that, but there's many people who have done that inside the Income School. And I wanted to share an example of a niche blog that I really like called Making Sense of Sense. And this person and her husband, they started to learn how to save money, and so they wanted to create a blog around it, and they paid off $40,000 in student loans, and now they have their own business and they travel full-time. So it's absolutely possible to make a full-time income passively with niche blogging, and you don't have to do all the work yourself. In fact, I'm outsourcing the writing on my blog, and if you have the training inside of Income School, you can use their blog writers, which I have done, and they're very good. I'm not going to click on here because I don't want you to see the website. You can only use this if you're part of Income School. But I will tell you, I have not had to change anything on the blog posts that I have purchased. And they also do research for you to come up with the topics and the titles of your blog posts. And I do have a video that I did just on niche blogging and how to make this $8,000 per month passive income. I will post that in the description below this video. And the 5th thing you can do is to create an app. Now, you don't even have to come up with the idea or create the app yourself, but here are some websites that you can use that don't require coding knowledge. appyourself.net, appinstitute.com, appypie.com, appmachine.com, and shout'em.com. So again, this is a great way to create passive income. Just create it one time, and then when people purchase the app, you earn that passive income every month. So I hope you go out there and make some really good money with these passive income ideas. And if you like this video, I think you really like this video coming up. 10 ways to make $500 per week at home with no money. Go ahead and click here. It's getting started right now.